Hello and welcome to Day One. My name is Rima and I am part of the Day One Avatar crew. We're thrilled to have you here. As you embark on this exciting journey, we're here to empower you with the tools you need to be work ready from day one. In this short video, we'll introduce 3 activities designed to help you uncover your strengths, showcase your talents, and sharpen your skills. Let's get started! Our first activity is called Strength Scope. This strengths-based activity helps you uncover your unique qualities and superpowers that make you shine in the workplace. Taking the Strength Scope activity is simple. Head to the Essence section of your profile and click on Let's Explore on the Strength Signals card. Watch the introduction video that explains the process and click on Launch the Test. Additionally, you can also access the Strength Scope activity directly through the Soft Skills tab under the Work-Related Activities section. Then, create an account on StrengthScope and answer the questions to discover your top 7 strengths. Remember, this isn't a test. It's an opportunity to understand your significant 7 strengths. After you complete it, you'll receive an email with a detailed report of your 7 strengths. And that's not all. You can explore your Strengths wheel on the Strengths portal page, which visually maps out your significant strengths. This powerful tool helps you understand how your strengths work together, giving you deeper insights into your potential. Add them to your profile to let your true self shine. Our second activity is the Getting to Know You on Day One virtual interview. This is your chance to showcase yourself through an interactive AI-powered interview. Here's how it works. You'll answer a series of questions and then receive detailed feedback on how you responded. This includes positive observations and constructive insights on areas for improvement. You'll also get a graphical representation of your sentiment, cadence, and pitch, giving you a visual understanding of your communication style. Plus, you'll have access to a full transcript of your answers for easy review. The best part? If you're not satisfied, you can even retake the interview to improve your interview score. It's all about helping you put your best foot forward. Finally, we have the Day One Productivity activity. This hands-on lab is designed to assess your proficiency in essential tools like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and even cutting-edge AI tools. It's a practical way to demonstrate your ability to excel in a work environment. Not only will it boost your confidence, but it also showcases your readiness to tackle real-world tasks. You're in control. Take on the lab, show what you can do, and get ready to shine. These 3 activities are here to empower you, helping you uncover your strengths, highlight your talents, and hone your skills. They're your tools to step confidently into your professional journey. Remember, Day One is all about unlocking your potential and making every day a success. So dive into these activities and let the world see the amazing things you're capable of. Good luck! We're rooting for you every step of the way.